Hello from Mountain Brook Farm, located in Collinsville, Alabama. My name is Wade Belter, and I'm going to talk to you about this little chestnut Holland Lop doe that we have, who is out of Mountain Brook Zohra, the dam, who is a Vienna Carrier chestnut, and Mountain Brook Sweet Pea, who is the sire, who is a possible Vienna Carrier black Japanese Holland Lop buck. And we have this lovely little chestnut doe here that is out of the two of them. I did this breeding so that I could work with the Japanese gene and produce a gouty with it. When I'm breeding magpies and when I'm breeding my Harleys, working with the Japanese gene, I want them to be a gouty. So I'm trying to work that into my tricolors, my magpies, and my Japanese, also known as Harleys. This little doe does not have any wrapping patches of white or white spots that I've been able to find. So as far as being a possible Vienna Carrier, it's not expressing it with color right now. And the eyes seem to be normal brown. Look at how light this chestnut is. Now, when the Japanese gene is present, you might be able to see it by looking at the belly. This is an agouti, so there's a white underbelly, and you can see in the nose there's some cream, and the ears have some lacing, and the ears are white inside, which is all agouti. Notice how you can see the cream and orange, the orange behind the neck and on the tips, and the cream that is present with the black. So there you can see the cream in the nose, and just barely can you see the white lacing of the ear. You can see where black meets the white on it. White to cream. Working on posing here. You really need two hands to kind of steady things. I do eventually get a photo. Ta-da! Thanks, guys. Thank you so much.